This is my tomato, cucumber, and onion salad. It is so simple, you won't believe how good it is, but trust me, you are going to love it. Start with slicing your tomatoes into wedges, then add them to a large bowl. Peel and slice your cucumbers, then add them with the tomatoes. Slice your red onions, then add them with the tomatoes and cucumbers. In a small mixing bowl, mix extra virgin olive oil, seasoned rice vinegar, and Lawry seasoned salt. The rice vinegar and the Lawry seasoned salt are key to this dressing and key to this recipe. Do not substitute, it will not be as good. Mix the dressing in. You can serve this salad immediately, but it's best to marinate 20 or more minutes. This salad is also best served at room temperature because tomatoes have more flavor at room temperature. If you marinate this in the refrigerator, set it out 20 minutes before serving to let it warm up to room temperature. For full recipe and ingredient measurements, visit my site at aforkstale.com.